What are we doing?
I have to go pick up something real quick. It won't take too long.
Okay, I get it.
It won't take very long. I'll be back.
Yeah? Okay. So many choices. Ooh, this one.
Holy shit!
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E.
I don't have friends.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
It.
Hey.
Were you listening to my music?
No. Who do you think I am?
Whatever then.
Who can say where the road goes?